Welcome to our Easter Sunday Showdown games dito sa Fiesta Conference. And once again, no, kailangan nating paalala sa ating mga manonood, itong yan ay magpakitang gilas yung kanilang mga import sa Pure Foods. That's Marquin Chandler, the reigning best import. High score dito sa ating laro. Pure Foods po nakaputi, naka-navy blue naman with red trim. At may apoy sa shorts. Because to save the knees from further still ahead by 4. And Chandler fires from top of the key. Look at you. Here's Salvador. Salvador over to Chandler. That's a rare fast break connection. Salvador top of the key. Salvador goes to Roger Yap. Roger's been hot here in the opening quarter. Chandler was hacked on the
paninimula ng kanyang pupunan dito sa ating first quarter.
Si Gilbert Lau ang pumalit kay Adonis Santa Maria. And another whistle is blown against the well-coached Nawala. Here's Chandler on the move, and that's another fast break correction for Chandler on the move. He fires this. And he's Jumbo Lopez over to Junjun Cabate. Starts to shoot for Welker. Calling is blocked by Chandler. Then by Lopez. Chandler looking for Salvador. Nice battle. Meantime, bola na kay Lindblad with 8 to shoot. Ngayon na kay Chandler lakad niya yung Chandler has had the advantage in that matchup from the get-go. Chandler.
Just moving the ball, hitting the open man. Yan lang ang ginagawa ng Pure Foods from one to take it. Sinabi mo.
Astig Renegade gets scored. Chandler. That's on the second serving.
Eh ano ba? Kung masupalpal mo yan. Eh pangalawang pagkakataon naman yan. Dahil alam niya kung saan tapupunta ang bola.
And they have James Yap, Martin Chandler, Roger Yap, Richard E. Giants. And the basketball is with Chandler. Chandler spins. Rams. Wala sa plano.
Right now, since the arrival of Martin, we've won, then we've lost, then we've won, then we've lost. So it's pretty much like
Nice history. And that opportunity right now is in peril. Because with less than a quarter to go, they need to bounce back from this huge deficit.
Kalmadong kalmado. Pero ang lamang ng kanyang koponan ganong kalaki.
Ito para sa Pure Foods na hindi kailangan gumawa ng pang-aasahan yung kanyang koponan. Here's Atadi from the corner. Goes to Wainwright. Wainwright on the move against two defenders. And he
Team chemistry pinapakita nila.
sumagot naman kagad si Marquin Chandler. Chandler now with 18 points. Depensa ng well coach. The ball is with Chandler against Wainwright. Chandler misses. Chandler now wants the basketball. And he is blocked. Bañez. Not answer back. J.R. Reyes blocked by Marquin Chandler. New shot clock for Wilbert Akigil. J.R. Reyes inning in the ball game. Roger Yap goes to Chandler. Chandler, a couple of jab steps and he connects.
Just creating enough space to make that jump shot against the defense of Rob Wainwright.
20 points for Chandler. Here's Compton. Back up to the wrong man.